Hello, we are on week 2. Hopefully this week you are more comfortable with navigating Blackboard and understanding how to upload and access assignments. This week we are going to talk about student success in college. Many times students ask me, what do I need to do to be successful in this class? This video lecture will give you some hints as to how to do that. So you'll watch the video and then you will take the quiz that follows. We are also going to review the 8 most common parts of speech. Parts of speech are grammar such as nouns, verbs, pronouns, adjectives, and so on. So this video will review the 8 most common parts of speech. As you watch it, you will complete the study guide assignment. And then you are going to learn a reading strategy, and that is identifying topics and main ideas in the things you read. As a writer, this is an important skill because when you write, you're going to begin with a topic and you're going to begin your paragraph with a topic sentence. Topic sentence and main idea are the same thing, and you will learn about those 2 things in my lecture video. Once you have watched the video, you will complete the quiz. Here is the week 2 folder. Once again, if you click on the arrow, all of these assignments will drop down. Here's my video. Make sure you print off the week 2 checklist. Here is the student success video and the student success lecture quiz. Here is the parts of speech, lecture video, and the study guide. I'm going to click on this study guide and you will see that it is right here, and you can print it off and fill it in by hand if you would like, or you can type it in as you learn. So the part of speech is a noun. In this column, give its definition. The video will define what a noun is. It's going to provide some samples of nouns. Then you're going to use the part of speech in a sentence and underline it or type it in bold. So I want to know when you write your sentence that you are identifying the noun correctly. So that is how you complete the study guide. Once you complete it, you will submit it. If you are unsure how to submit the study guide once you complete it, so you'll access the study guide by going here and just clicking on this and downloading it. When you're ready to submit it, you're going to click in this box and it'll walk you through uploading the assignment. So if you're unsure how to do that, go back to week 1 and watch the video on downloading, completing, and uploading assignments. Here is my topic and main idea lecture video. As you watch it, be sure to take notes, and once you have watched that, complete the topic and main idea quiz. Many times students ask me if they can retake a quiz they did poorly on. The answer is in most cases no, so be sure that you do watch the videos and take notes before you go to the quiz. Send me a course message if you have any questions, and have a great week.